These Mickey Rice Krispie treats are everywhere at Disney, so I tried making them at home. Here's everything you'll need to make these treats. 1/4 cup of butter, 4 cups of mini marshmallows, toppings of your choice, melting chocolate, and 5 cups of rice cereal. I melted the butter first on low heat, that's important because I burned stuff. Then I plopped in my 4 cups of mini marshmallows. Then I had to stir those together until my hand cramped, but only like twice, so it wasn't that bad. Until you have an ooey gooey beautiful mess. Then it was time to plop in my 5 cups of Rice Krispies. Then it was time to get a few more hand cramps. Honestly, this is looking pretty good so far. I was sure I was gonna burn it. You should probably use parchment paper at this part, but I couldn't find mine. Then I very gracefully moved it into the pan, and then I squashed it all down with a spoon. You could use your hands at this part, but honestly, I don't like to be sticky. Yeah, that looks pretty good. After it cooled down quite a bit, I got out my homemade Mickey pattern that I made using my cat's wet food cans. Putting paper on sticky food is not my brightest idea. Pulling up the first Mickey one had me on edge. I was for sure it was gonna fall apart here. To my surprise, it did not, and it actually looks really good. I carefully placed the pattern because I wanted at least 4 Mickey heads out of this, and it was a success. I was able to get 4. Next, I melted a little butter and poured all my chocolate in. This process took a little bit because I stirred it on super low because I didn't want to burn it. There we go, that looks good. And now for the fun part, you get to decorate these however you want. My first one I want it smothered in chocolate. Then I want it one to look like stripes, like almost like you could find it at Animal Kingdom. I mean, not bad. This next one I want it to look like one you see in the park all the times, and it's like the Rice Krispie treats is wearing a Mickey hat. Honestly, this one I didn't even have an idea. This works, I guess. Rainbow sprinkles for this one. I got Reese's peanut butter cups for this one because I love the peanut butter ones in the parks. And I decided this one needed eyeballs. And some red sprinkles I had left over from Christmas. Ta-da! Then I stuck them in the fridge for about an hour. And I didn't want to waste anything, so I made these little balls. And I used way too much chocolate, so I made these little Mickey edible candy things. And the finished project, honestly, I think these turn out mega cute. And then I just spent some time posing to try to find a cute thumbnail. I mean, I guess this is okay. I don't know if I'm gonna use it, but here they are, they look good. Y'all didn't think you were gonna get away without me doing a taste test, did you? I chose the peanut butter one because like I said earlier, I love the peanut butter ones at the parks. And I'll let my reaction speak for itself here. And that was my adventure making the Mickey Mouse shaped Rice Krispie treats. Sub, like, share, all that great YouTube stuff. Okay, bye.